What's happening, guys? Welcome back to Jesse Does It. Today I've got something special for you. I've been carrying this around for about a year now, and I get lots of questions about, hey, what do you take with you when you go on these trips? What do you carry in your truck for a roadside emergency type deal? And so I'm pretty stoked on what I have for my setup, and I wanted to kind of go over things with you. Do you have a roadside emergency kit? What do you have in your tools? What are you using to carry your tools in? If you're like me back in the past, I just had a storage tote and things were kind of randomly thrown around in there. And when it was time to actually need something, I had to kind of dig through it and search and find what I was looking for. But no longer do I have that problem because I have this case here. This is a Rhino USA tool bag. With that, I wanted to kind of show you the other things that I carry with me anytime I go on a camping trip or an off-road trip, or even if I'm just going on a little road trip. I want to make sure that if I have any struggles, any roadside emergencies, I can take care of that with what I carry. So let's get down to it, shall we? Number one, first and foremost, if you've ever had a dead battery prevent you from getting anywhere, you gotta have a jump box. I did a video here a couple weeks ago on this right here. This particular jump box is my new personal favorite, and I carry this every time I go anywhere. This thing stays in my truck because I don't want a dead battery to leave me stranded. Not only that, but I've also been able to help other people that may have a dead battery get started as well. This thing's great, and I'll put a link below for that. But check out the previous video and you can see all the details on this. Flat tire. Need to take off a big bolt, something like that. I always carry my 1/2 inch impact with me. It's a Makita 18 volt, and I have not had a bolt that this thing can't get unstuck. If this don't work, then I'm breaking out the torch and the breaker bar. And if that's the case, there's not much you can do on the side of the road anyways, but gotta have the 1/2 inch impact. Speaking of flat tire, this little off-brand Amazon, link below, air compressor has been awesome. You just squeeze the trigger, set the desired PSI, and it'll fill up a flat tire pretty quickly actually for what it is. I also have airbags on my truck for towing, and I use this to raise or lower my airbags. So this is a great little thing, and obviously I'll put the link below. I love this thing. Now let's get to the meat and potatoes. This is my Rhino bag. This thing holds all my tools, and we're going to get into that and show you what it is. But it's got this great little carrying handle here, or strap here, and that makes it really convenient to take it where you need. But when you want to get into it, unclick and unroll, and you've got all your tools. Let me show you what's inside, shall we? So like I said, this thing is super convenient. Great little carrying handle there, and when you want to get into it, you just pop it wide open, and there you go. Now, for organization, it has sockets, wrenches, pliers, miscellaneous, and specialty written on, but you can organize this any way you want. Or let's say you don't want to take the whole thing with you, you just want to take this bag with you. It just Velcros right on, boom. You can change them around as you want. So, inside, I've got some Allen keys. I've got a pair of Nipex pliers. These things are amazing. If you don't have the right size socket or wrench, this will definitely get it done for you. I never leave home without these. Pardon the little bit of a mess because I just had to use this thing. But anyways, so that's in my specialty bag there. The miscellaneous tools here. I've got a little kit with sockets and bits and everything in here for quick attachments to the screw gun. There's a big Allen key for my tow hitch and a wheel socket. So not much in those, but then you got to have pliers and vice grips and things like that. So I've got a little kit I ordered on Amazon that came with all these wonderful tools, pliers and everything. So if you ever need a pair of needle nose or anything like that, you've got them as well. From there, I've got my wrenches. Now, you always need wrenches, so I bought a bunch of wrenches. And this holds everything from the little bitty to the big. And then obviously the most important is going to be your sockets. I bought a couple different socket sets, extensions, a cheap little ratchet, long and short. I mean, guys, this has every socket you could possibly think of in here. I think there is three different sets of sockets all in this one bag. And then you've also got tire patch kit right here, so that goes with the air compressor that we talked about. If I got to plug a tire up, definitely need that on the side of the road. And then there's pockets for other things that aren't even being used. But this thing, I'm telling you what, guys, you roll it up and quickly cinch it all back down and you're good to go. I do not go anywhere without this bag right here, without my jump battery box and everything else. Do you see anything missing from my roadside emergency kit? If so, let me know. Tell me what you're carrying in yours. Maybe you've got something better. I'm really happy with this. Like I said, I've tried other things before, but I really love this Rhino bag and the other essential tools as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hopefully got you hooked on this tool bag as well. Not sponsored, I'm not getting anything from this, but I wanted to share what I carry in my truck at all times. Leave a comment below, tell me what you carry. Maybe you got something better there too. So I appreciate you guys. As always, I am Jesse with Jesse Does It. Till the next project or adventure, we'll see you then.